How to sell digital products in WordPress. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I will show you how you can sell digital products in WordPress. So let's get started. Up first, you might be wondering what is a digital product. Digital product simply means any product which is in file format and you can simply download it. It is not a physical product and you simply upload it and the customer buys your product and then downloads the file. There is no shipment involved or anything like that. So there are different digital product platforms out there that allow you to sell digital product. But do you know that you can also sell digital products in WordPress? And that's what I will show you today. It's super easy to do. Let's start with the process. What you have to do is simply open up your WordPress website where you want to sell your digital products. Open up the dashboard. This is where you will land. Now on dashboard, we have bunch of options. Right here, go to products. In products, go to add new because we are going to be adding a new product to our WordPress. So you simply have to add a new product name. This is going to be a digital product. Let's say that I want to sell a printable, which is a digital product, and I want people to actually download it. So let's go ahead and add it right here. This is a digital product. Now I will simply scroll down for more settings. So this is like basic how we simply add a product to our WordPress. But the difference is going to be right here. If it's a virtual product, you will check this one. But this is a downloadable. So I will click right here. Now my product has been converted into a digital product and this product will be listed as a digital product on my WordPress website. So now let's, check the other settings and add all of the options right here. So we have a simple product and it is a digital product. Regular price, I'm going with $30. Then sale price. I can simply go ahead and put it up for sale. And on sale, it is going to be $15. I can schedule a sale as well if I want to. For now, let's cancel it. Downloadable files. So this is where you simply add a file. Adding a file simply means uploading a file from your computer. So I will click on add file, file name, and I can simply go ahead and add a URL as well. But I am going to choose a file because I have my digital product in my laptop. So I will simply go on upload files and select file from my computer. I'm gonna go ahead and select this file right here because this is my wall art. Simply click on insert file and it will be added right here. Then we have the download limit. So if it's unlimited, then you will simply leave it like this, but it's not unlimited. The download limit is going to be 1 because I am selling this product. Then we have download expiry date. There should be an expiry date. So I'm gonna go ahead and type in right here. My product will be expired after 14 days. If somebody has bought my product but they have not downloaded it in 14 days, then it will be wasted and expired. So after that, I have to add a short description for my product. I will simply go ahead and write the description. So for now, I have just written this, which is a very random description, but you will simply add the description you want to. Then there are different plugins that are actually helping me with my product. This is actually one of the plugins that I use, Rank Math SEO. So now it's helping me with the SEO of my product. It's helping me with the basic keywords and, titles. I can simply go ahead and do that, but this is just an extra step for the people who want to work on the SEO as well. We're talking about just adding a product. So this is where you will simply add all of the information. You can see right here, I have my own URL as well because I have added the file. Now, we also get different options right here, such as publish. In publish, we will get a preview, we have visibility, and then we have publish immediately. Then we also have product categories. In here, I will simply add this product to product category as well. Then we have product tags. I can simply go ahead and add different tags. Then we have link suggestions, product image, and product gallery. It is a digital product, so there will not be any product gallery. But of course, if it's an ebook or maybe a planner, then you can actually add few of the images for the people to view. Once you're done with all of these settings, all you have to do is just simply click on publish. Let's preview our product. So this is my product view right here. if I go right here, I can actually check out my product. This is how it looks. I can zoom in. It is on sale right now as we, did not schedule it for later. You can see right here. The regular price is $30, but the sale price is $15. Then we have the title. We have maximum products that you can add. People will simply click on add to cart and they will be able to add to their carts. Then we have categories and different tags. We also see our reviews that will be given by our different customers. You can see right here, this is how they will be able to rate. You can see right here, it's a very professional looking product that I have created, and it is a digital product. Now I can simply go ahead and sell my digital products on my WordPress website. I don't have to go to any other website or create any account on it. WordPress will allow me to sell a digital product very efficiently and I can make money. So once you have checked the preview, you can simply go back and publish your product right now. Or you can simply go ahead and save it to your drafts. I'm going to save it to my drafts for now because I have not added much information. Once you have added the product, then of course you can go ahead and edit it out anytime you want to. And simply go back to your dashboard and create a new digital product right now to sell on your WordPress. So once you have created your product, then you will be able to access it with all products as well. So you simply scroll down and you can go to products and then all products. In all products, I will be able to perform bulk actions and I will be able to add a list of digital products. You can see right here, we have our digital product right here in the list and it is in stock. Now, if I want to edit it, I can just simply go ahead and click on edit option. Or I can simply move it to trash and that will actually delete my product from my website. If I want to duplicate the product, I can click on duplicate. And if I want to check the preview, I can do that as well. Then I can go ahead and perform bulk actions on my product. I can simply edit it or move to trash. Again, it is going to be a bulk action that will be performed on a bunch of different products. Then we have select category. I can simply go ahead and add it to different categories. Then we have filter by product type. This is for our list that we will be creating. Another thing that you can do is you can simply go ahead and import a digital product from other websites as well. For example, you have already created your digital product on Etsy. You can go ahead and import that product right here. Or you can export this product to another website too. For example, I can export this product right here to any other website, such as Redbubble or Etsy, where I will be able to sell it. And then you can simply go ahead and click on Finish Setup and all of your product details will be saved. So to check a preview, you can simply go ahead and click right here. And this is our product right here. We can simply go ahead and create any type of product on WordPress. You can simply go ahead and create a digital planners, wedding invitations, and much more. So yeah guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you. And now you know how to create a digital product on WordPress. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel.